Hello everyone, this is Patrick, and today I'll be discussing how to run the NeuralForecast's multivariate models. So the first thing we want to do here is to go to their page, where if you can find NeuralForecast's Nixtla page, wherever that may be. It is nixtlaverse.nixtla.io NeuralForecast, and you scroll all the way down to the tutorials where you'll find multivariate forecasting. The first thing you're going to want to do is run pip install NeuralForecast datasets forecast. As now I have already done this here. And the most important thing really is that you should be using the most up-to-date NeuralForecast for this, and the most up-to-date dataset forecast, unlike in other situations. So now what you want to do here is after you install these, you'll want to copy and paste all these two cells of code into an editor of your choice here. Now I am using a custom Conda environment where I've just installed the two packages up here, but you can do this on other things such as on Google Colab or on, well, I wouldn't recommend running it on another environment just because it might interfere with the necessary imports. So the next thing you want to do is take these cells and paste them below your previous ones. Now this line here is commented, and I'll keep it that way. Sometimes these import messages here can throw an error telling you that there are issues with it can't import names from NeuralForecast.models. So here is a list of models they have, and the imports should match one of these names here. For example, I am importing from NeuralForecast.models over here. I have a TS Mixer, TS Mixer X, NHITS, and MLP Multivariate. Now, after you paste these arguments in here, you can go down to this part here where you define the NeuralForecast, as well as specify your dataset and set your cross-validation methods. When you load your data, you've already loaded data over here. And now you can see that this part YDFXDF is you're loading their data from long horizon, but if you want to use your own data, you can of course load your own data set here. So after you set this part here, set everything up here, and define it, you evaluate the results using this here, this code cell, which you paste all the way down here. Now I added a plt.show to the very end, which will display the graph on its own. Running this does take quite a while, but as you can see here, I will now run this. It will set the seeds, it will set the flags here, and it will start sanity checking our data. And now we'll start training. This does take quite a while, so I won't be showing the full process, but once you are done training, you will receive a graph that looks something like this, where the blue line is the true value, and these other colors are the predictions made by the various models in their system. To tune hyperparameters, you can paste this line below, and then evaluate with and then afterwards you use these code lines here to evaluate the results with tuned hyperparameters. I won't be exploring how to tune the hyperparameters in this video, but if you want more accurate predictions, this is something that you can look into. Thank you for watching.